Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove a background from a photo. If you've ever tried to do this in Google Gemini, you know that that does not work. I'll show you a tool that you can use online that's free, easy to use, and gets the job done in seconds. Let's get started. Today, I'll be removing and changing the background of this image right here. Before we remove the background, I'm going to show you something really quick. I'm here in Gemini, and I've uploaded the picture that I'm going to use to remove and change the background. And when you ask for a transparent background, it does something very tricky. It creates something that looks like it is on a transparent background because it has this gray checkerboard on the back. However, if you go and copy this and paste this into something else, you'll see this is actually an image with a solid checkerboard background. It's not transparent. So if you click on this to download it, you'll see that it's giving you a JPEG file. JPEGs don't support transparent backgrounds. So just so you know, if you do this and you're wondering, what did I do wrong and why is this checkerboard on here? It's not you, it's Google Gemini. I don't know why they haven't at least changed the model to say, I can't do that. But that's where we are today. What does work easily and free is the free background remover from Fotor. The link directly to this page is in the description, and it really is one click, free HD download, no watermarks, no sign up required. I click on here to upload image, selecting that same lovely picture of the woman in the red dress. It'll sit here and think for a moment, and there it is. From here, we can go ahead and change the background color. We can select a custom color in here if we want. Choose an AI background from one of these ones that is selected in here. Or blur the background. I'm going to close out of here, and I'm actually just going to keep this as a transparent background and download that image. And just to show how this looks, you can now take that image with a transparent background and put it into any place that you can use something with a transparent background. You can put it into a Word document, a PowerPoint document. You can use it in Photoshop or Photopea, a number of different things. I've just opened up PowerPoint and created a blank presentation so I can show you what this looks like. And I'm going to insert both images. I'm going to insert the one that we got from Gemini. Yeah. That's not good. And now I'll insert the one that I just created. Yeah, perfect. Get rid of this. Yeah, that looks great. All right, that's how you remove a background quickly, easily, and for free using AI. If you enjoy these tutorials, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.